What is the purple, yellow, purple? Coming right up.
Calling all detailers, gather round the light. Pearl Nano.
Hey everybody, David Elliott here from Pearl Nano and calling all detailers. And today we're talking about the purple, yellow, purple. What the heck is that? Well, it's the purple is the Speed Coat ceramic waterless car wash, and the yellow is the Max Wax, the Carnauba spray wax. Okay, well, why do I call it the purple, yellow, purple? So some people have used the two products hand in hand to create an amazing shine on a lot of cars. Okay, so first they clean the car with Speed Coat. It dissolves the dirt on contact. You have a nice shiny shine. Then they go over the whole car with the Max Wax. Max Wax has micro scratch fillers in it. I normally don't like fillers in the products, but this one is meant to do this. So it will fill in the micro scratches, and then you go across the car again with the Speed Coat. Purple, yellow, purple. Okay? So I've had two people say, I told you not to polish my car. Oh, I didn't. Oh, it looks like you did. Because the car is clean, the micro scratches are filled in, and then it's topped off with the ceramic waterless car wash on top of it. It's just a thing that some of the mobile detailers do, and you could try it too. Try it on your car. If it's got feather scratches all over it, and you want that car shiny again, clean it with the Speed Coat, wipe it down with the Max Wax, and go over it one more time with the Speed Coat. My name is David Elliott, founder and CEO of Pearl Nano and Calling All Detailers podcast. If you want to try the purple, yellow, purple, you can go to pearlnano.com or give me a call at 808-779-7163. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Calling all detailers, gather round the light. Pearl Nano shining, every surface looking right. Pro grade coatings only, built for those who know. Crafting glossy